Hello today, I'm going to show you how you can make a Shito Bonsai under 5 minutes. First, get an ideal plant, which is under 3 inches. I am using Premna microphylla for this project. Premna is ideal for a Shito Bonsai, as you can make its leaves very small. You can use any small pot for it. I am using a homemade pot which I made with cement. When potting it, cut its taproot, and only keep the original football. I used vermicompost and organic fertilizer to make the soil. I will pot it and water it, and then add cushion moss for decoration to look like grass. The moss adds an elegant finish to the bonsai and helps retain moisture.